double cross, rather. Now watch the monitor aircraft as they stay right away. And watch the military aircraft as they fly upwards and then fly backwards. Pushing the wind as they get blown down the wind. So working very hard to bring the aircraft back down towards the centre of the runway. This is called a launch, which is the Czechoslovakian word, which means to give you a headache, and you can probably appreciate why. Now as Andy flies down, he's going to fly away, and then what we need to do, boys and girls, mums and dads, is look left on the far end of the runway, above the sea, and watch out as blades 1, 2 and 3 fly towards us to show you the roll capability of the next conclusion. They'll take a while to get up here again because of the wind, but when it happens, it's all in formation. It's called the blades twinkle rolls. And coming down nicely here is great for just watch how quickly Andy will reach onto and use his propeller at the front of the aircraft almost as a brake, and it just shows the trust and pass as it's the first time he's led the blades in the Air Force. He was a Jaguar pilot and then in the Red Arrows for 3 years. And his last year he was the executive officer, so second in command to Blade 2, and the offer who was an ex-leader of the team. And this is what a formation loop looks like, about 12 foot between the wingtips. This year the aircraft are going to continue our partnership with the Royal Air Force and Association Windspill. The Windspill is an iconic logo, as you can see on the bottom of all 4 of our aircraft as the blades come round and point to bend. As far as we're aware, no other display team does this anywhere in the world. It's formation flying from 4 fixed-wing aircraft at 0 miles an hour. Once they're far enough away in the strong wind, they'll fly the Blades team and tweet us a little bit of crazy flying. So it just shows you again the trust and pass and going back the right around there is Blade 4, Andy Evans completing the Blades lineup. In the Air Force he was a Jaguar pilot.